Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Justin. So today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel. Follow me to the end of this video so that you won't miss anything. So if you want to open a YouTube channel, there is some things you need to consider. 1, the gadget you are using to open the YouTube channel. 2, you need an email address to open the YouTube channel. And 3, everyone can open a YouTube channel. So first of all, I would like to advise you guys that when you're opening a YouTube channel, don't open it with your phone. You make use of your laptop or your desktop. There's a reason for that. So number 2, you have to create your email account. So this is how you create your email account. So guys, you go to your Gmail account, press Gmail, then you create, first of all, how you're going to do this, you have to create a Gmail account, you understand? So I'm going to show you the process, you understand? So you press this one, then you see create account under, then you click on the create account. Once you click on the create account, it will automatically direct you to where you add up your informations, and you see create for myself. So you write your name and your last name. That's the first thing you're going to do. So I'm going to be using OG media here. Okay, so press next. So the next thing is our date of birth. So I'm going to be using January 27th, 1999. Okay, so gender, I'll select male. So that's press next. So we allow it to load. So next thing, Google Gmail will select highlight a preferable mail for you. Then you select one of them. Create. Now here you create your password. So you use an uppercase, a lowercase, and characters, and also dots too for your password to be strong. You know. So I'm going to create mine, and so you just have to put the password you remember mostly. So after that, if you have a recovery mail, like a mail that you can, maybe when you lost the password or you cannot retrieve it, you add the mail in a email that you used to, remember all this kind of. But if you don't have, you can easily skip. So now the account is ready. You say review your account. Then you have to go through the terms and condition. Then press agree. So once you press agree, your account is being set up. Your Gmail account is being set up, guys. So here it is. Ta-da! So guys, as you can see, it's loading. So your Gmail is okay. So next thing you're going to do now is let's go to YouTube to create our YouTube account. You understand? So this one is going to be very easy and fast. So what are we going to do now? We have to sign in once it loads, because you haven't signed into the Google account. So the first thing you're going to do is just to click sign in. Once you click sign in, automatically it will display. Automatically it signs in. But once it signs in, you see this thing that shows how you want your this thing to appear. This is when you're creating. Please get started. You click get started. So once you do that, automatically you have already registered your YouTube channel. So the next thing you're going to go now, you go to settings, because you need to add your thumbnail, you need to add your profile. You need to do many things, some settings, and make sure that the installation is completed. Again, guys. Okay. So guys, the next thing you're going to do now. So from here you can see what you need to do for feature eligibility. This helps you, add your phone number, what you need to do for the account to be fully updated. So first of all, you add your phone number, and also you need to upload your video, you need to upload a long video, you need to upload short, you need to go live, so this is it. So once you are done with your profile picture, you upload your profile picture. So after uploading your profile picture, you can add your banner. Once you're done adding your banner, the next thing you're going to do now is that you can feel free to upload. So guys, this is how you set up your YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you guys what you need to do, the kind of setting you need for you to have a pure working YouTube channel. This video meets you well, and feel free to drop your comment at the comment section, and we are ready to reach out to you. Thank you.